What's being promised here is important for Ahaz and Mary and Joseph, but it's cosmic in its significance. The child will not only lead to the protection of his people, but his power will eventually lead to the end of all rebellion, evil, sin, and hostility. Think about that for a second. The might that this child will portray, that this God will move on behalf of his people, will put an end to all sin and evil and death. This is the promise. Every boot beneath the marching column of the armies that shake the ground, every garment that is soaked in the blood of the dead and the dying will be burned by the power of God. For unto us a son is given, a child will be born, and he will be mighty God. Friends, the ultimate solution to the aggression and the pain that is created by the work of our enemy. And make no mistake, our enemy is at work. Christ says he only comes to steal and kill and destroy. This is what he does. The ultimate solution to the work of our enemy is the birth of our mighty God. The ultimate solution to all of the havoc that is wreaked by my sin and my brokenness, by our sin, is the birth of this mighty God. This is how Isaiah chapter 9, verse 7 makes sense. He brings peace, and the government will be placed upon his shoulder. Not just the government of a single nation for a little while, but friends, what this means is the government of the cosmos. That Christ is intimately in charge of all that happens in the universe. It's beautiful. In verse 7, of the increase of his government and of peace, there will be no end. He's going to sit on the throne of his father David. He will rule in perfect justice and righteousness from this time forth and forevermore. It's absolutely beautiful. His kingdom will be established with justice and with righteousness. So friends, God's power perfectly executes the will of our holy and good God.